Hollywood, man, is a tough place to survive because it's just sin. It's a hard place. It's a hard place. That's why marriages don't make it out there, man. Hollywood is too much temptation. They have it at your feet, and they know, and they put it in front of you to control you as a talent. I mean, they'll throw big parties. They know you into drugs. They'll have your favorite drugs at the party. They know you like women. They're going to have plenty of women at the party for you. And then they get you in this trap, and they can control you like that. It's a crazy system out there, man. It ain't California. It's California. It's a tough place to be, man. So if you aspire to go out there, you just got to be careful. You got to have a lot of God in you. Because if you ain't got a lot of God, you ain't going to make it. The only thing saved me was my mom was praying for me. That's the only thing saved me. That's the only thing, man. I kid you not. I got in enough trouble, but then, God got this thing called grace and mercy. If it wasn't for that, that grace and mercy let me off the hook. He said, I'm going to tell you what, you're going to straighten your life up because I got something planned for you. I need you to turn around and I need you to listen to me. And he got my undivided attention. Took everything from me twice. Made me homeless. Lived in the car for 3 years. 2 divorces. He had my undivided attention. 2005, got my head on straight, started listening to him. After that, boom. He walked Marjorie into my life in 2005. She told me to quit wearing them big ass suits. She took all my pimp clothes from me, pissed me off. She said, you're going to go mainstream. You got to start looking like it. She took all my suits and threw them away, brought a tailor to the house. Said, quit worrying about your hair, shave it. Shaved it. She said, now get focused. 2009, I wrote a book. 2009, I got this game show. Everything changed. Everything changed. But all of it changed because of a relationship with God. If you trying to make it, and you trying to make it in this world without God, you got a hard haul, man. You just got a hard haul. It's rough going. And listen to me, man, I probably ain't the best person to tell you this because people kind of, judge my walk with Christ, because it ain't the traditional walk. People talking about you ought to be acting this way. Well, no, see, if you knew what I was, you'd be okay with what I am. Because he brought me from a long way off, and this is where I'm at. But I'm here to tell you flat out, if you try to make it in this world without prayer, you try to make it without God, you're taking the long way round and the rough side of the mountain. If you put God in your life, faith don't make it easy. Faith makes it possible. And all you need is to get through life with the possibility. You do have a better shot with God than you do by yourself. You ain't got to believe me. But if you're trying, though, just give him a shot. He's a bad dude. He's a bad dude. That's my speech. Let's go.